Picture yourself in a quiet park in 1950s New York where Erich Fromm sits at a bench watching couples stroll by. He notices something odd, people clutching love like it's a prize they've won, not a skill they've honed. What if love isn't just this magical feeling, but an art form? Fromm dares to say you're not loving right, but why, and how can you fix it? Fromm's first bombshell: love isn't a spark that randomly ignites, it's a craft you practice daily. But what does that mean in real life? In his bustling New York City strolls, Fromm observes couples not just holding hands, but holding on to expectations that quickly burn out. He spots lovers who expect passion to hit like lightning and then wonder why it fades. For them, love's magic died because it was left to chance instead of commitment. Fromm compares love to learning to swim. You can't just jump in and hope for the best. You need lessons, practice, and muscle memory. Love demands discipline, patience, and presence. It's not a ride on emotions, but a daily workout for your heart and mind. When you see love as a skill, suddenly you're not a victim of fleeting feelings, you become an artist investing effort. This changes everything. Relationships aren't trials of fate, but canvases you actively shape. Mastering this flips the script from helplessness to power. Love isn't one size fits all. Fromm breaks it down into flavors you already know, but with a new take that's way deeper. Fromm dives into brotherly love, the bond of shared humanity. He tells of a post-war Europe where distrust was high, but people who practiced brotherly love rebuilt trust by seeing each other not as threats, but as fellow travelers. This love is about empathy beyond your family or partner, a radical openness to others. Self-love gets a makeover here, not selfishness, but a profound acceptance of oneself. Fromm likens it to tuning your own instrument before joining an orchestra. If you don't appreciate your worth, your love for others will always sound off-key. True self-love fuels giving, it doesn't block it. Erotic love grabs headlines, but Fromm warns it's often confused with mere desire or possession. Think of it like fire: it's intense, beautiful, but can burn out fast without roots. Real erotic love climbs deeper, growing trust, respect, and freedom between partners, turning passion into a lasting flame. Here's where Fromm really shakes the table. Modern society is messing up love big time, but what's the antidote? Fromm rails against the way love has been packaged like a product in the 20th century, a quick fix, a thing to possess. He points to the dating market mentality where people gauge others' value like commodities. This leaves love shallow, transactional, and empty, a sad echo of what it could be. At love's core, Fromm argues, is the ability to give without expecting in return. Think of a parent soothing a crying child at 3 a.m., no deal-making, just pure care. That kind of giving is the heartbeat of real love, breaking the cycle of endless taking and leaving you both richer. Committing fully to another person, Fromm says, is the ultimate rebellious act in a world obsessed with instant gratification and freedom. It means showing up every day, investing even when it's hard. This kind of love builds resilience and depth that no flashy swipe or surface charm can match. Remember that park bench scene? Fromm watching love like a craftsman. Now you see why love's not a hit-or-miss romantic fling, it's a lifelong craft you can master. Try this next time you catch yourself waiting for love to just happen. Pause and choose to act instead. Practice one form of love like it's your favorite hobby. That's where real love begins. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.